Jumping right into my lazy day wash day, I have my hair styled in this bun that I've had for about a week. So I'm just going to take it out and then I'm going to rinse my hair with some nice warm water. So now I'm going to separate my hair into quadrants as I always do, just because I feel it's a lot easier for me and I can really stay organized in my wash day routine and just making sure all of my hair gets the TLC that it needs. Working on this back right section first, I'm just rinsing it under the warm water just because I find that when my hair is really wet, it absorbs products a lot easier. And even though it's a lazy day wash day, I still need to pre-poo my hair. So instead of making it, I'm going to be using this Madam CJ Walker's wonderful pre-wash protein treatment. And I really like it because it's a powerful protein packed reconstructor that really helps fortify hair and it really helps prevent breakage. And that is something that I do like because I want to keep my hair nice and strong and healthy as I can. So the directions state to apply the treatment to both your hair and your scalp. So I give my scalp a nice little massage because it feels so good and also it helps stimulate hair growth. And then I'm going to run the rest of the treatment down through the length of my hair. And I really like using this treatment on my hair as a pre-poo just because it's more convenient, it's really easy for me. Also, when I'm finished rinsing the treatment out, my hair feels so much softer, just bouncier, just healthier. Also, my hair is nice and fortified and the elasticity bounces back and I am so happy with it. Overall, I really like this treatment. I comb it through just to make sure that the treatment is well dispersed in my hair as well. And then I wrap it up and then I continue on to the next section. So after I've applied the treatment to all 4 sections, I leave the treatment in my hair for about 13 minutes. The treatment says you can leave it on up to 15 minutes, so it's at your discretion how long you want to leave it on. Then I take my shower, do everything I need to do, and then after the 15 minutes, I rinse my hair and just make sure the treatment is completely rinsed out. Next, I'm going to shampoo my hair, and I'm going to use this one by My Moisture, the Heal and Hydrate Shampoo. And I really like it because it helps to defrizz, detangle, and it also helps to define my curls. And I like any shampoo or any product for that matter that's going to really help to define my curls, give me some hydration, also to prevent frizz. I don't want my hair looking like a frizz ball. I really like when my curls are defined, but I still have that body and that volume. And this shampoo definitely gives me that. After I've shampooed my hair, and I really try to focus more so on my scalp because that's where I need to remove the buildup, and shampoos definitely do cleanse and they help to get rid of buildup, which is why I focus more so on the scalp rather than the length of my hair. The shampoo will get rinsed out through the length of your hair, so your ends definitely will get cleansed. I make sure to rinse all of the shampoo out, just because when the shampoo is not rinsed out, it tends to flake up and it can irritate your scalp. Also, it can cause little flakes and it looks like dandruff, which is not a good look. So you want to make sure that you do rinse the shampoo out in its entirety. Next, I'm going to condition my hair, and I'm using My Moisture's Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter Conditioner. And I really like this because it really helps moisturize and helps mend any split ends that I do have. Even though I don't really get split ends, I really try to keep an eye on my hair and make sure that my ends really do stay nice and kept and healthy. So just using products like this from wash day, also maintenance throughout the week, is really going to help with your hair and just make sure that your hair does stay healthy throughout its entirety. And in case you didn't notice, I divided the quadrant in half just because I really want to make sure that my hair really absorbs the conditioner, because it needs all of that nutrients and needs that TLC that the conditioner does provide. And I also like to comb the conditioner in, because when I do this, my hair just drinks the conditioner up. It really absorbs all the conditioner, and that's what I need. I want the conditioner to really absorb and to penetrate into my hair strands rather than sitting on top of it. After I've applied and combed in the conditioner to all 4 sections, I'm going to take the clamps out and I'm going to rinse the conditioner out. And after I've rinsed out all the conditioner, I'm going to apply this hair mask by My Moisture as well. And it's the Agave hair mask, and I really like it because it helps my hair stay nice and resilient, also healthy as well. And it doesn't leave my hair feeling brittle or stripped. And I've used some hair masks from drugstores in the past, and they have left my hair feeling a little bit weird. And this one definitely does not do it. My hair strands love it. My hair is left feeling nice and healthy after. And for that extra boost of hydration, I'm going to use the Shea Moisture's MANUKA Honey and MAFURA Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. And I really like this hair mask because it leaves my hair feeling nice and hydrated and moisturized and soft. Those are a few things that I look for when using a hair mask. And because I'm not going to be going under the hooded dryer, I need to make the best of this lazy day wash day routine. So I am going to be adding some extra oil in. I'm going to be using castor oil with coconut oil mixed in. And castor oil really helps to nourish the hair and scalp. And also coconut. There's many different oils that you can add in that really do justice for your hair. So I really like this oil because it's nice and thick. And with this winter season, my hair needs all the TLC that I can get. And as I've already mentioned, I'm not going to be going under my hooded dryer, so I am going to be using this plastic shower cap and intensify my deep condition treatment. And after about 10 minutes of having the hair mask on, I'm going to rinse it out with cool water. And after the masks are completely rinsed out, I'm going to use my cotton t-shirt and just wrap my hair so it can absorb the excess water, and then I'm going to style my hair as usual. Thank you for watching my lazy day wash day routine. I hope that you did learn a few things, and if you did, please give me a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!